Hey everybody, Mr. Carter here with your first of two help videos for adrenaline engines. This one is for trumpets and alto sax. So we're starting measure 31 here, and hopefully I got the draw tool going. And so we got this quarter note, that's one and. Those two eighth notes right there are two and. That eighth rest is on three. So one and two and three and four and right here. And the trick to this is to make sure that that quarter note right there gets both four and also four and together, because when you get to this down here below my head, you want that to be on count, right on count one. And so we got to subdivide. All right. So it'll sound something like this. Let's do it a little slow. And one and two and ready and go, and one and two and three and four and one and okay. And then I didn't go over this next measure 32, but you got one and, all right, rest on count two, and three and then another quarter note on count four. Same thing. We got to make sure that quarter note is four and. All right. So measure 32, one and two and three and four and together. Going back to 31, if we look at all of that and all this together, okay, you like that? One and two and three and four and one and two and three and four and. So you see I'm subdividing, just hearing all the eighth notes in each measure. Okay, so excuse me. So let's look at just those two measures, because once we get that, it's the same thing over and over again. All right, we're going to do those two measures with the met. And one, you can clap it with me or whatever. One and two and ready and go. And one and two and three and four and one and three and four and. Notice I'm saying four and because I got to get to that downbeat at the right time. All right. So let's add two more measures, and we'll up the tempo a little bit. And one and two and ready and go. One and two and three and four and 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 one. Same thing, a little faster, ready and go. One and two and three and four and one and two and three and four and one and two and three and four and one and three and four and. All right. Now I'm going to try my trumpet playing skills. Same sequence. Play it along with me. Alto sax, you have the exact same part. Right? Yours looks a little bit different. Okay? But it's the exact same part. It's right up here. Here we go. There it is. And one and two. Alright. And notice the accents and the legatos and all that. Let's do it again a little faster. And one, two, three. My fault. One, two, and. A little faster. One, two, three. Yeah, one note, not speak. Hey, I'm not a trumpet player. You should be better at this than me. Right? And Okay? And it does that a couple more times. And then just watch out when we get to 37. Let me get rid of some of this. Okay, 37 is different. One and two and three and 4 and. Okay. Whoops. And then it's the exact same thing once we get to 39. It's the exact same thing. Okay. And then I want you to look ahead to 47. 47 to 53 is the exact same thing as the beginning. So if you don't remember how that's supposed to happen, go back to the video from last week and you can check that out. All right. So I want to do real quick here. Let's look at measure 42 because I want to make sure that's not going to mess anybody. Or excuse me, not 42, 37, and let's make sure it's not going to mess anybody up. Okay. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. And then obviously 38 is just straight eighth notes. All right. So let's do that together. 37 and 1 and 2 and ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, just make sure that eighth rest isn't too long. 1, 2, ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 1, 2, again, ready to go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. All right, let's play it. I'm going to add 38 when I play. 1, 2, and obviously don't frack the note. Here we go. Same thing. 1, 2. Same thing. 1, 2. All right. So if you can do that, you got it. Practice it. Send me a recording of the whole thing. And as always, if you have any questions at all, email, comment on the Google Classroom, and just let me know. Send me a video and say, hey, Mr. Carter, I don't know am I doing this right? And I will help you out. Go practice. Love you guys.